Puwede ko ba galawin yung emergency fund ko para sa emergency ng iba? Mahirap sagutin ano, kasi tayong mga Pilipino, meron talaga tayong culture na nagtutulungan within the family structure, no? Halimbawa, kapatid mo, parents mo, meron tayong ganung culture, which is good, no? Ang kailangan lang natin pag-isipan is, mako-compromise ba yung aking responsibility or my priority, which is my family, kung halimbawa is ibibigay ko yung aking emergency fund na nilaan ko sa family ko do sa iba. Mako-compromise ba? What will happen if I will have my own emergency in the near future? Saan nakukuha ng emergency fund? So, ako yung magiging problema. Next problem is me, and I will have to do the same, to run to another person to fill up my emergency. So, nagmumultiply yung problem. I believe that may kanya-kanya tayong responsibility, may kanya-kanya tayong boundary. So, mahirap sagutin kung dapat ba o hindi, kundi kailangan meron tayong pagsusuri, pag-evaluate, merong agreement, yung both husband and wife, tungkol dyan, no? At meron ding grasya ng Panginoon para magawa natin. Tanong natin kay Lord kung tama ba. So, minsan kasi ang problem is the boundary. Nawawalan din ng boundary ibang tao. Iniisip nila na pwede naman akong maging gastador. Meron naman akong uutangan na kapatid, mayaman. Nawawalan din siya ng boundary. May kanya-kanya tayong responsibility. Okay? Dapat habang lumalago tayo, natututo tayo. At nagagampanan natin yung ating kanya-kanyang responsibility.